Hey guys, it's Thursday. Sorry I haven't vlogged in a while. I've been trying to get my shopping haul videos edited and stuff, and school and drama. But now I have to get hurricane ready because we have a hurricane heading our way, and it's Hurricane Irma. And then there's Hurricane Jose behind her. And then there's Hurricane Katia that's in the Mexico Gulf. So we're gonna head to Target because I just need like a container and like just few last minute random things. So let's see if it's gonna be really craziness out there. So far the roads look pretty empty. I'll show you. Empty roads, empty roads. Yeah. Emptiness, everybody fled. Away, away, far away. You see the gas station is out of gas, and they saran wrap the pumps or whatever they, get it ready for the hurricane. That one too. As annoying as it is to have a hurricane or whatever, it's a little excitable. Like, I'm anxious because this is like my first hurricane. Well, Target isn't busy. Thank goodness. I know it was busier this morning. My friend showed me there was a line to even get in. There's literally no one here. I like the sound of that. Silence. Emptiness. Oh my gosh, everything's gone. Someone said, I'd rather have paper towel than an eyebrow pencil. Yeah, everything's like empty. And the garbage bags even. They grabbed some garbage bags and Ziplocs. No bananas. The bread aisle. Oh wait, there goes some English muffin. Is gone, except for, let's see what they left behind. Okay, nobody liked those buns. Nobody want onion hamburger buns. That's what they left behind. Oh, they chose bread over these. They took all the peanut butter. I know. This is Halloween. This is Halloween. 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 Yeah. Ooh, look at these goodies. So we just finished our Target run for the hurricane. I spent a little bit more than I expected to, but good thing tomorrow's payday. I didn't get the container that I wanted, and oh wow, it's super dark. Sorry guys. Hashtag dark skin. So I just got some random one that actually had a lid on it because a lot of them were missing lids, and there was like not a lot to choose from anyway. So I just took one that was on clearance for $3 because I still have some containers at home and stuff. I just wanted to just be, just in case. I wanted to buy a soap bar. All my soap bars were gone, so I had to buy like a, wow, it got really dark around here. Whoa, I'm so sorry guys. It's like lights out around here. Oh, there I am. There's my teeth. So I had to buy like a 3-pack value pack. I didn't want to because it was like $10, but oh well. Look at the line, guys. They have to have police escorting the line because people are still trying to get gas. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. They're open, but they have their little plywood on. Okay. Okay, guys, I took the wig off because it's time for me to work on this stuff here. Yeah, that's mustard and ketchup. Sometimes we forget to put things back in the fridge. But anyways, I have to put all this stuff into the bin. So, thanks for watching this vlog. I'll try to get this up as soon as possible. And I'll try to finish my haul. And one of them will be up this week. It was supposed to be last week I was going to put it up. But, you know, things happen. And then, oh, there's a hurricane. Anyways, thanks for watching. Subscribe.